Okay, like so many of you, we are home, and I usually was spending up to 2 hours, even maybe up to 3 hours a day commuting. So now with that little bit of extra time, looking at the silver lining of being home and quarantined, I'm trying to take a little bit more time with my skincare in the morning and at night. So I wanted to show you my daily skincare routine for the mornings. I turn 50 next year, and trying as hard as I can to look my best and age gracefully. So I'm fortunate enough to have some products from Chanel that I wanted to show you as I'm working with the company right now. So feel very, very lucky. And if you don't have these exact products at home, totally okay. I want to show you at least the techniques and the layering and the routine. So the first thing that I do in the mornings is I, in fact, don't wash my skin with soap and water or any cleansers. After I've worked out, I jump in the shower, yes, rinse my skin with water. And then when I get out, I actually go ahead and use a micellar water. So there's so many out there in the market now. It's like a real hot product. And I wanted to show you, this is brand new, which I love. So I'm putting probably, 10 squishes of product onto 2 cotton pads. And the reason I use 2 cotton pads is because I find it definitely gives a little bit more of a spa-like experience to myself. 1 cotton pad one hand, 1 cotton pad the other. What micellar water does is it helps to pick up any remaining sort of oils, residue, dirt, but it won't disturb the pH balance of the skin. And your skin is still going to be nourished and not stripped of any natural oils. So I use that micellar water in the morning, starting off. Then the biggest tip I find is layering, and layering my skincare along the way. So the first thing is using serums. Now, serums are full range, full difference of price points, and I do love using a serum for my eye area because I find that my eyes are where the signs of aging are showing up the most quickly. So I'm taking La Lift and La Lift Concentrate Yeux, which is a eye serum, and I'm applying La Lift here, as you can see, a small amount underneath my eyes, morning and night. So, literally, when I apply La Lift onto my skin, it feels refreshing. I can almost feel like it's working. So I apply it underneath my eyes only, and don't over rub your eye area. I find that so many women, I watch them and they like pull and tug. You have to remember that that skin under your eyes is definitely thinner, more sensitive. And just by using your ring finger, which is the weakest finger on your hand, you're going to see that, you're giving yourself still the skincare you need, but with a softer pressure. So I've got some eye serum on. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some face serum. So I'm very lucky to have this little jewel. It's from Sublimage. It's at Chanel, and it is a l'extract. So this extract is the purest form of all of the ingredients, the key ingredient being vanilla plantifolia. And I feel very lucky to have this product. It helps to reinvigorate, generate my skin. And I take 1 or 2 drops. I just treated myself and did 2. And I'm pressing it into the skin. I am going to use it all over onto and around my lip area, the fine lines, and where I see the signs of aging the most, which is definitely between my eyebrows. Tapping and pressing up right into my hairline, and then anything, and just making the most of the serum and getting it down onto the neck, onto the décolleté, and that 1 or 2 drops once a day is all that I do. Anything left, it's just like jewels. I put it even on the back of my hands, really just to maximize the potency that is in those few drops. Now, after you've done your serum, you want to, again, layer. So I'm going to go in for a moisturizer. And again, I want to go for a moisturizer for eye and face. So I'm using an eye cream. This is from the Sublimage line. And just taking a small amount. And really, during the day, use a small amount of eye cream. A lot of people will ask me, you know, my concealer creases, my mascara runs. Use a small amount of eye cream, and this will help to just prime your under eye and not make it too greasy. Your under eye can be the drier part of your face. Definitely shows for me the signs of aging, that darkness, and making sure that, again, I'm putting that eye cream right into that inner corner, tapping it and putting it all along the bottom. Anything I find I have left, I do tap it around my lips, because that skin around your lips is also very thin. Now I want to go and apply, finding just a lotion or a fluid. So I'm going to use the Camellia water cream. I'm loving this water cream because I find taking, again, 2-3 drops, it's giving that hydration to my skin without feeling too greasy. I'm doing all video conferences all day, and I love to have a hydration, like a hydrated look to my skin, not a greasy look to my skin, which very easily can happen when you're doing video, you know, high shine. So making sure that my skin feels hydrated with this Camellia water cream, and I'm ready to go. I've got a nice slip to my skin. So the biggest trick when you've done, you know, your cleanser, your tonic, a serum, a moisturizer, you want to honestly go along the side of your face. And this is for all of us. You know, if you're 40 plus, 50 plus, 60 plus, feel the side of your skin from the top of the cheek to your cheekbone. And you want to feel a slip. If it's dragging or catches it all, guess what? You need more cream. So for me, I feel a real slip on my forehead where I tend to be oilier. But actually, when I feel back here on my cheeks, it feels smooth, but I want more density of moisture. So I'm gonna go for a thicker cream. So if you notice, I've used a lotion. Sorry for that bang. I'm now gonna go for a thicker cream. So something that is denser. So this is the big thing is think of your skincare almost as makeup. You know, you don't have to put the same skincare everywhere. So a thicker balm-like moisturizer for me, I'm going to apply it here towards the back of my jawline and towards my ears, because here is where I'm finding I get more dehydrated and I need more of that slip. So I've put that moisture, again, that thicker balm-like cream here just on the cheeks. And you know what? I'm going to go for applying that moisturizer onto my neck and chest, and again, back of the hands. Last but not least with skincare, don't forget your lips. You know, anything you've put around your eyes, don't, you know, be afraid to tap around the outside of your lips for lip lines. I just received this. This is Hydra Beauty, and it is the Nourishing Lip Care. It comes in this awesome little twist off. There's nothing like a new lip balm. And I'm gonna just crack the surface with the back of my pinky nail and apply that lip balm. I will keep this by my desk and apply it throughout the day. If I had another one, or I might even scoop out a little bit and apply some next to my bed at night, applying a little bit of lip balm on my lips again before I fall asleep. So I hope you found this helpful, learned a few tips, reminding yourself to take care of yourself, take care of your skin. For SPF, for those of you who are gonna ask, I, in fact, will put a little bit of a foundation on with an SPF in it to give myself a little bit more evenness, and I'll show that in my next video. So stay safe, be well, take care of yourself, love the skin you're in. Huge hugs. Talk to you soon. Bye.